Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have absolutely gorgeous weather in store for today. Low humidity levels, mostly sunny skies. We'll see that daytime high temperature right around 80 degrees. Yesterday across the region, it was a pretty nice afternoon as well, as we got rid of a lot of the higher humidity during the morning hours and the afternoon, even though we ended up in the mid 80s for daytime highs. Across the region, we saw lower humidity values and pretty comfortable conditions out there overall. 84 degrees here at Wallops, 88 degrees at Pax River, and 86 degrees at Richmond. So everybody pretty much in the mid to upper 80s yesterday for daytime high temperatures. Overnight last night, we saw a pretty wide range in low temperatures. 57 degrees, a cool spot in Baltimore, as warm as 71 in Norfolk, and we settled in here at Wallops at 66 degrees. No measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours, and as of 9 a.m. we see temperatures in the mid 70s here at Wallops, coming in with 74 degrees under sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, the freezing level was at 12,800 feet, and our winds generally out of a northwesterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, coming more westerly in direction as we get up to 25,000 feet, where we see winds at 39 knots. Taking a look at our satellite information this morning, looking at the mostly upper level cloudiness streaming through the region. As we look across the northern sections of the Delmarva, you can see a little bit of clearing just to the north of that in the northern Delaware. So quite a bit of upper level cloudiness out there right now, but we'll likely see a little bit of clearing as we go into the evening tonight, as that cloud bank makes its way a little farther south. Radar, taking a quick look at that this morning. Nothing to be seen here currently, with no precipitation in the area, and will remain dry throughout the remainder of the day. Taking a look at the current surface analysis here, we are going to see frontal boundary just off to our south as this struggles to load here. We'll have this loaded up here in just a minute. Here we go. Forecast maps here for the midday time frame, looking at that frontal boundary just south of the region, across the Carolinas, and high pressure building in from the northwest, providing us with some dry weather and some really nice conditions as we go into the afternoon and evening hours tonight. We'll see that high pressure pretty much right overhead as we go into the overnight hours tonight, providing mostly clear skies and pretty comfortable temperatures out there too, with those lows falling into the low 60s overnight tonight. As we get into Saturday, high pressure still in control of our weather, that frontal boundary washing out over South Carolina, and we're going to see very nice conditions once again for Saturday. It will be a little warmer, likely see low to mid 80s for daytime highs on Saturday, and that humidity may be a little bit higher than what we see today, but still a very nice day overall during the day on Saturday. Those uncomfortable conditions as far as the high humidity and the warmer temperatures will likely not arrive until late this weekend into the beginning of next week, where we'll see those high temperatures really starting to warm up into the upper 80s and eventually into the 90s as we start the work week next week. Taking a look here at our next 24 hours, you're going to see very nice conditions throughout the day today, with those northwesterly winds right around 6 to 12 knots throughout most of the day today. Could increase up to around 8 to 13 knots during the late afternoon hours before we see mostly clear and cool conditions overnight, with those winds dying down. Variable winds less than 5 knots after midnight, and those temperatures bottoming out at around 62 degrees for an overnight low temperature. Tides are currently running normal, and as you can see from our terminal forecast over the next 24 hours, no real issues there, with VFR conditions expected over the next 24 hours. No real low ceiling issues to speak of for the next several days, and especially for the next 24 hours. Looking at Saturday's weather, we're going to see mostly sunny and warm conditions. Again, just a little bit warmer than what we'll see today, with a high temperature of 82 degrees. For Saturday night, partly cloudy and mild with a low of 67. And then for Sunday, mostly sunny and warmer with a daytime high of 86 degrees. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, you're going to see mostly sunny conditions continuing throughout the day today and into the weekend and even into the beginning of next week, we're going to see mostly sunny skies. A gradual warm up this weekend and then some really warm conditions as we go into the first part of next week. Looking at daytime highs of 82 on Saturday, 86 on Sunday, and then up to 94 on Monday, where we'll see some pretty humid conditions work their way into the area as well. Could see those heat index values pushing 100 degrees or higher as we get into the beginning of next week with those very warm conditions. And then our next chance of rain not until late Tuesday night, as we'll see a weak frontal boundary begin to make its way toward the Wallops region. We're going to see plenty of instability, so chance of some showers and thunderstorms will arrive with that frontal boundary late Tuesday evening, and then that will slowly make its way to the south across the Wallops region. On Wednesday, we'll see cooler temperatures as that front hovers over the Wallops area. A high temperature of 85, but it will still be very humid by the middle of next week, even with those cooler temperatures in the mid 80s. And then as we get into Thursday, we'll be looking ahead toward the rock-on mission. First attempt Thursday morning. It does look like that frontal boundary will be just pushing south of our region by that point, and we will see the continued chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Hopefully that front will move a little quicker than what it looks right now, and we'll have a more clear scenario for Thursday morning as far as launchability goes for rock-on. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. I hope everybody has a nice weekend. We'll see you back here Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.